Are you looking for the best ergonomic keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the best ergonomic keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Logitech ERGO K350. For most people looking for the best ergonomic keyboard, we recommend the Logitech ERGO K350. It has a very comfortable plush wrist rest and a wave-like shape that effectively creates two separate key clusters on either side of the board, one for each of your hands. This shape aligns your hands, wrists, and elbows in a neutral position that isn't as taxing on your body as a conventional keyboard and can help you stay comfortable while typing, especially if you use your keyboard for long stretches. While it's made entirely of plastic, it feels high quality and sturdy overall. The switches on this keyboard are light to press, so you don't need to worry about tiring out your fingers while you type. These switches are also very quiet, which is great if you're worried about bothering those around you in the office or at home. Also, you can connect this keyboard wirelessly with its USB receiver or via Bluetooth, so you don't need to worry about a cable getting in the way of placing your keyboard in a position that's most comfortable for you. At number 2. Logitech Wave Keys. The Logitech Wave Keys is our recommendation if you're looking for a mid-range ergonomic keyboard. It has a much smaller footprint on your desk than the other options on this list but includes all the same keys as a full-size keyboard like the Logitech ERGO K350 above. It has a curved key layout that tends upwards slightly towards the middle. This overall design isn't as radical as a truly split key cluster layout like the ERGO K350 above. Still, it comes close to offering a similarly neutral typing posture and does a good job of limiting how steeply you need to angle your wrists while typing. The Logitech's design is quite compact overall, but it has an integrated wrist, so it's still fairly deep and isn't a particularly portable option. That said, it's still a great versatile choice for moving between spots in your home or between hot desks in the office, as it connects wirelessly with a USB receiver or via Bluetooth with up to 3 devices at once. Its compact design also means its keys are spaced just a bit closer together than most standard keyboards. This doesn't negatively impact how comfortable it is to type on, but it can take some getting used to at first. It's also missing extra dedicated keys, like media keys, found on our best budget pick, the Logitech K350 below. At number 3. Logitech K350. The best budget ergonomic keyboard we've tested is the Logitech K350. This keyboard is one of Logitech's older designs, and it's an earlier version of our mid-range pick, the Logitech Wave Keys. You may see them together on some online retailer listings, with the K350 referred to as the 2009 model. Due to its age, this keyboard is frequently on sale, and it's at its best value when it's around a $35 price point. But don't get too hung up on its age, as it remains a great choice if you're new to ergonomic models or just looking for something more modestly priced. Its design features curved rows of keys and a wave-like shape that raises slightly in the middle, so your wrists are curved slightly outwards, which is a more neutral, comfortable position for most people when using a keyboard for extended periods. It also has a sizable integrated wrist rest that provides added support while you type. That said, its wrist rest may also be its biggest downside for some, as it means the entire keyboard takes up a considerable amount of space. It also doesn't support Bluetooth connectivity like its newer, more expensive successor, the Logitech Wave Keys. That said, it does have the advantage of offering lots of dedicated extra keys, including dedicated media keys, and its significantly lower price point makes it a compelling option to consider. At number 4. KINESIS Gaming Freestyle Edge RGB Split Mechanical USB Keyboard. Ergonomic split designed for typing and gaming. Move the right module out of the way and bring your mouse in close for improved endurance and more precise aim, esports proven. Rotate the left module for optimal key coverage or to squeeze into a tight space at a LAN. Or split the modules up to 20 inches and put your stream mic, HOTAS, or mouse in the middle for easy access. Separate the modules to shoulder width for an ergonomic typing posture and add the lift kit tenting accessory to reduce forearm strain. The detachable palm supports now include all new thick cushioned palm pads for even more comfort. 100% mechanical switches for maximum performance. Genuine Cherry MX Brown Speed mechanical switches, low force, tactile feel, offer professional grade responsiveness and unmatched durability, 50 clicks. Immersive RGB lighting for a custom look, 16.8 color per key RGB backlighting with 10 customizable effects like wave, spectrum, rebound, pulse, rain and much more. Install Lighting Expansion Pack 1 to add dual layer lighting and two-tone effects. Smart Set Programming Engine, all 95 keys are fully programmable for complete customization. Use the dedicated Smart Set key for convenient on-the-fly remaps and macros, or use the all-new Smart Set app for special actions or to customize lighting effects. 9 available profiles with dual layers, powerful macros, quick remaps, 9 game keys, 1 millisecond response time, ERGO, game mode, and much more. All profiles and settings saved directly to the keyboard's 4 MB onboard memory for tournament play. 100% plug-and-play, compatible with Windows, Mac, Linux, and Chrome. No special drivers required. RGB Smart Setup 3.0 for Windows and Mac available for download. Designed in the USA.